Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are in day 4 and we are going to create a class first, and name of the class is simple interests. Okay, we are going to program simple interest, how we can get interest on principal. Okay, say for example it's a bank interest. All right, package is Testers-004 and this is our class, and we are going to write our main method. What I did is just write main, then control spacebar and press enter. Okay, I can show you one more time, those who are newbie. Main, then press on control spacebar, then enter. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to program in Java programming the simple interest rate of a bank. So to do it, maybe we have to use couple of data types. In the last class we discussed already what are data types, how many data types are there in Java programming. Okay, so if you by chance escaped the previous lecture, please go through and practice it, then come back for this tutorial. Okay, so in each and every method there is curly braces in Java, and also on after the class there is curly braces. This is opening curly braces and this is closing curly braces. This is main method and this is opening curly braces for the main method, and this is closing curly braces. And within this opening and closing curly braces we are going to code our program for our computer. As I told you before, programming is nothing but set of instructions we are writing or coding in Java programming for our computer, so that our computer can execute specific purpose. Okay, what we are going to do. All right, so let's start. I'm going to define and declare a variable and its value. Okay, so I'm going to write principal. Principal is I write 10,000 set for example, and I'll take a double data type and simple interests is, say for example, double, and I'm putting it 0.0. okay, then I'm taking the rate is interest rate is double, and it is rate 8.5, say for example 8.5, though that is not possible in real world. The bank interests are much higher than this. It can be 12, 18, sometimes 25. So this is just for example, I'm writing 8.5, then I'm taking integer again, and variable is time, and say for example time is 2 years, right? Then time in years, say for example, and simple interest rate, I can say SI simple interest we have what can I call it, we have like formula for calculating interest, like principal into rate into time, okay, and divided by 100. Actually it's a percentage, okay? So simple interest, we have to write simple interest, all right? And now I can find out the rates or the interest of $10,000 in 2 hours at the rate of 8.5, how much it's going to be, okay? So then I just write CISO, then press Ctrl, hit spacebar, and now I'm going to find the interest rate, okay? Simple interest is, or I can say total interest actually, plus simple interest, okay, will give us the exact rate that is going to be 2 years, okay. Now just go to run as Java application, run it, and the simple interest rate is $700, okay, $1,700 in 2 years. My goodness, okay. Thus we can calculate the simple interest of any principal money programming in Java language, okay. So I think it's very understandable, it's very easy, fun, and engaging it will be if you practice. Practice makes a man and woman perfect. All right, see you in the next series. We are learning very step by step from the very beginning to advanced level. Thank you for watching the video tutorial series. Thank you.